Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a calendar on a Google Sheets application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, make sure that you already open the Google Sheet application, and whenever you open it, you just need to go create a new document. But you just go click this plus button, and there will be two options appear here, which is just the template, or you can also create a new spreadsheet. Actually, you can just create by your own, but if you want to make it fast, you just need to go choose template, because Google Sheet is already provide to you several templates that you can use for free, and one of the template is the annual calendar. You just need to click it and wait until the documents are ready. And here is the document. So you now already have a calendar that you can use for. So here is the whole calendar from the January to December, but then this template also provide you the calendar for each month. So there will be a lot of tabs here. So if you can see in downside, you just need to slide this side into the left side, and now you can found each calendar for each month: April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. For example, if we want to work for December and we want to make a plan in December, you just need to go in the December part or December sheets, and whenever you're already in a December, you can fill or you can mark this calendar. For example, in 25, if you can see the 25, there is no informations on it. So if you want to have an agenda here, 25 or 24, you just need to click the number in the number cells, and you can change the color by click this part. Make sure that the color have a contrast color with the color of the calendar. For example, let's choose with the yellow. Okay, or this part. Okay, this one is quite good. And after that, if you want to add information, just click the cells right below or under the number. This part, you can also change the color if you want to. And if you want to add some notes here, just go click the pencils button and start typing what do you want to add into this date. For example, a Christmas. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done, and you can just do all of the mark by yourself on whole days here. If you want to do party on a Sunday 3, you can also mark it by yourself. You can just go by click this part, go mark with a different color, and after that go add some text on it. And whenever you're done, just need to click done. So that's the way how to create a calendar on a Google Sheet. It's quite easy and fast and quick. So hopefully it's really helpful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment if you find out this tutorial is got you so well.